So you're very welcome to this section of the course. What I want to do and my objective for you in this section is that by the end of it, you have a much better understanding about how to massively increase your traffic and exposure of your gigs on the Fiverr platform. The way that you do that is to move up through the Fiverr seller levels up to becoming a top-rated seller and a featured seller. The more traffic and exposure you have, the more sales you're going to get. And you can see on Fiverr here, the featured sellers are at the top. Top-rated sellers are at the top. In the high rating section here, you know, it's the top-rated sellers that are really getting a lot of the traffic. So I'm going to talk about what Fiverr says you need to do, but also add in my my particular experience, because it's quite high level what Fiverr says, but I'm going to break it down a bit more for you. We're going to start by looking at your Fiverr inbox and the importance of responding to that. This has become a lot more important recently, especially with some updates last month. So let's get into that and look at how that can help increase conversion, traffic, and sales.